the side of paradise. Even if it all went down in flames, we can live the fight another day. Let go and close your eyes and just remember paradise. It doesn't matter tonight, there's a tomorrow for you to treasure. No sense in losing our minds.